Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you a dish that you can make with chicken, and it's delicious and it's easy. And this is what you'll need. Chicken, a pack of chicken. Chicken thighs preferably, but it's up to you. Chicken. Cilantro. Onion. Garlic. Spaghetti. Tomato. Adobo. Real simple. And your regular salt and pepper. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to clean the chicken, and make sure that you clean your chicken with vinegar. You pour the vinegar on there, you let it sit, and you wash it off. You could probably wash it off 2 to 3 times to make sure all the vinegar is out. So I'll be back once I clean the chicken, cut the onions, peel the garlic, and I put everything together. Once I'm finished and I put everything, we'll be back. Bye bye. Right here you have the onions, the cilantro, and you have the garlic in here. And then what you'll put in there, you'll put some achote. You'll put some achote. Probably like a spoonful. And you put a little bit of cilantro. We're gonna go and we're gonna cook this. We're gonna cook it down, okay? And I'll be back. So while that's cooking, as you can see, it's reducing, and while it's cooking, then you start adding the chicken. then you just leave it. You turn the heat down. And you cover it. Now, don't cover it all the way. You leave a little bit there. And that's perfect, okay? And we'll be back. We'll be back. So, when it starts cooking, of course it'll start looking like this. Okay? Okay? Then when it's like this, you add the can of Goya. Once you put the tomato sauce, mix it in, you go ahead and you cover it back up, okay? So, the chicken and the sauce should start looking like this. Getting nice and cooked. All the onions are cooked, the garlic is cooked, the cilantro, everything is on there, so it should start looking like that. Then with the chicken, what we're going to do, we're going to take it off and we're going to boil the noodles, the spaghetti. Okay? We'll be back. Okay, there's the water boiling.
Mommy.
Yeah.
What is Easter?
When?
What is Easter?
What's this, March? Ask Alexa what date is Easter.
Sorry, Nika. Alexa. Which date is Easter?
And I put the spaghetti.
Easter is on Sunday, April 12th, 2020.
Oh.
Did that answer your question?
Yes.
Thanks for your feedback.
Well, where you going for Easter?
Huh?
Where you going?
I'm about to go back to normal. Because Myra said...
No.
Huh?
Why you ask when's Easter?
Because Myra said Easter was tomorrow.
No. Easter's always on a Sunday.
Ooh.
Okay, so the pasta's been boiling, all right, and it's done. Okay, see? The pasta's done. So I'm gonna drain it. So. And you mix it all together. And there you have it, a delicious meal with the chicken, the pasta. You could make like toast. You could make it with, you could put toast on the side, cut up a salad, put salad, anything you like. It was easy, it was quick, and everybody would love it. Okay, so I hope you like this video. I hope you like the recipe. So if you want more, come back with Fernie. Bye.